back again with another video. I realize I haven't made that many videos, but now I don't know if you are in the United States. I know a lot of my followers are in Canada, but here in the United States, TikTok is getting banned. At least at the time of this video, it keeps going back and forth. No one really knows. On Sunday, it is now Friday, so I know a lot of people are really concerned about, like, you know, the different recipes and DIY projects and things that we all found on TikTok, which that was a big reason that I enjoyed scrolling through TikTok. I mean, I did get caught in the doom scroll every once in a while, but like we all do. But for the most part, I use TikTok for recipes, for DIY projects, for, you know, household tips, decorating, homekeeping, things like that, you know, gardening. I really got into gardening and canning this last year. But something that I found on TikTok that I thought was going to be pretty useful, that I wanted to try myself, so I figured it might be kind of fun to film it for you guys, especially if you were looking for something like this on TikTok and now TikTok is gone. This is something that I learned how to do on TikTok. Now, we are going to be... Hello. My puppy, Artemis here. Well, she's not so much a puppy anymore. She's almost 2, but still kind of a puppy. This is Artemis. We call her Artie. She will probably make an appearance in some of my videos. She just got in from being outside, hence why she's still got her fence on. But she'll probably be hanging out for a little bit. But anyways, this is a homemade laundry detergent. Now, I know that it's not exactly homemade. This is like a concoction of a bunch of different types of laundry detergents. At least according to the videos that I saw, this kind of combination originated in Mexico, as it includes like 3 different types of Mexican detergents. There's Roma, Foca, and Zote, I believe they were calling it. And apparently this is like a tried and true thing and it works. So as someone in Ohio who is not very connected with Mexican culture, this is, you know, something that I would have never seen or thought of. But I hear that it is a effective detergent, it is a money saver, and people's clothes come out looking, smelling great, and it is like pennies on the dollar. You can make a whole tub of this and allegedly it lasts like almost a year. So I wanted to try it, and I got this big tub because I saw everybody making it in these big tubs, and I was like, oh, you know, I wonder why. I didn't really see the size of the bags when I first was going into the adventure of making this video, because when you're on TikTok, you can't necessarily see how big the bags are. They just show them in front of you. So originally, I bought this little container, this cute little laundry powder container off Amazon. It came with this little scoop, which I still do intend to use, but what I think I'm going to end up having to do is making it up in this bin, and then, like, you know, putting some in here to keep on top of my washer or on top of my dryer, and yeah, I think I'll just like store this in the garage or something. But so that's kind of what that is here. But I got this on Amazon. It was like, I think like $15.99. It was like 16 bucks. Probably paid more for it than I should have, but it's really cute. Look at it. Loads of fun. Here, I'll bring it. Loads of fun. Laundry. Whole housewares. Not sure what that's relevant to, but there you go. Okay, now that my dog is back outside, let's get started with this. I didn't want to make this while she was inside. My cat will stay away, but I know that some of this is all very powdery, so if I was going to make this, I wanted to make sure that, you know, she didn't roll around in it or anything like that. So I'm going to put my hair back for this and put on some gloves. I've just got these winter gloves because I can't find my cleaning gloves for some reason right now. I literally just cleaned the bathroom and everything. I don't know where those gloves went, but either way, I'm going to wear these little winter gloves because I understand that some of this, like when it's directly contacting with your skin, can be a little irritating. So we're just gonna work with what we got. So 1 second and we'll be right back. Okay, so now we are back, and and we're gonna just kind of mix all this up in here. I'm gonna go through the products as I dump them in. Right now I just have them all in the bin because it was easier to do it that way. Now, in the videos that I watched, it said you can find all of this at your local Walmart. My local Walmart did have these, but they were out of a lot of the products, so I got a couple of them I got the borax and the washing soda and the Zote Flakes at Walmart, but the Foca and Roma my Walmart was out of, so I had to order those on Amazon. So I probably paid a little bit more than what you would at Walmart because I had to buy them on Amazon and wait for them to come in, which we just got a snowstorm here last week, so until the snow melted, things kind of got delayed. And I'm in southern Ohio. We don't usually get a foot of snow, so we usually get more like 5 inches the whole winter. So that was kind of a little bit of a shock for us that we weren't really expecting. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so I guess we're going to start with this one because I noticed this when I opened it yesterday when it came in. This bag of Foca was already busted, so we're just gonna rip this one open and let this go. I should bring a trash can in here. We're gonna just put them on top of the lid. Okay, so with that, this will be the first item that we add. This is Foca. It says, it's got this cute little guy on it. It's phosphate free, so there's that. Leaves your whites with a bright and clean freshness, keeps your colors vibrant and colorful. It's formulated with enzymes for stubborn stains. So yeah, seems pretty legit, pretty basic. It smells good. I really like the smell of this. So, Foca. And I will put the prices, I'm gonna use the Walmart prices, but, well, I'm gonna put Walmart and Amazon's prices somewhere here on the screen for each of these products just because I don't have them right in front of me at this time, but I'm going to look them up and I'll put them somewhere here so that you can see how much each of these things was. So, all right, next up is our other laundry detergent, and this one is called Roma, and it says phosphate free. This one's also phosphate free. This one's also phosphate free. It says for all fabrics, for clothes of all colors. And the recipe said to use 2 bags of Foca and 1 bag of Roma. And this is 4.40 pounds, and then this one is, the Foca bags are 4.40 pounds. So the same size bag of Foca is the bag of Roma, but you only use 1 bag of Roma. Now I did alter this recipe just a little bit. A lot of people have been putting Ariel with Downy, which is another type of detergent in here. I don't like Downy, so I decided to kind of leave that out. I also, instead of doing 2 boxes of flakes, I'm only doing 1 because I'm not 100% sure if my washer's HE or not. It was like the cheapest one that Lowe's had when we first bought our house because we just needed a washer and dryer. So I don't think it's HE, but I know a lot of people are saying that you can't use a whole lot of these in HE washers or it'll like wreck your clothes. So I opted to just get 1 box of this out. So next up, Roma. Next, these are Zote Flakes, which is like, they sell them in the bars, but these are already grated. They said you could just grate a bar, but I paid a little bit more because I didn't really want to deal with that, so let's see, just, oh, my throat is clean. That just seemed like a lot of work. I just, ain't nobody got time for that, as they say. So, yeah. So the next one is Zote. These little soap flakes. Okay. Now, some people were adding things like Downy Unstoppables or like the scent boosters. Whew. I don't really I don't really like the scent boosters just because they always leave like a film on my clothes. So I opted not to use those. If you do want to use those, it's totally optional. This is, in a way, kind of a free-for-all. The base is the Foca and the Roma, so the other ingredients, it's kind of up to your own interpretation. There's a lot of different ways out there to make this mega detergent, I guess you could say, and this is just one way. Next product that we'll be using, and a lot of us already have this in our homes for multiple purposes. So this is Borax, and it is a laundry booster. Now the thing about this is I actually usually never used this on my laundry. I always used this to kill those sugar ants. So, like, you know those little tiny ants that, like, in the summertime, I don't know, especially if you live in this part of the country, like in the upper South or the Midwest, you get these little ants that just somehow get in your house. And if you mix this with sugar, your ants, like, and you put it around the doorways, your ants, those little ants that are all over your house, gone. Gone. So that's another tip for you. Borax and sugar kills those ants, those pesky, horrible ants that you get every summer. But for now, we're putting it in this. And I have a feeling it's gonna get dusty. Pour it slowly, maybe it won't. Alright, the next piece is Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda Laundry Booster. So we're putting 2 different boosters in here. Some people skip both of these and just put in like OxyClean. I'm not really a huge fan of OxyClean, and this was actually cheaper, so I decided to put this in here instead. So, oh, it even says on the back of here, did you know you can make your own laundry detergent? Super Washing Soda is an important ingredient in most do-it-yourself detergent recipes. So, yeah, you can even, like, they've got a recipe of their own, so there you go. This box does not want to open. This is fine. Do you see this garbage? Okay. No, kitty, don't come in. Okay, so now we have all of it in our big tub, and I'm gonna take this spoon that I'm never gonna use again. This is like a gross old kitchen spoon that I've had since college. Just make sure it's a utensil that you're not gonna use on food anytime soon, and we're gonna mix this up. Ugh, gotta stand up to get some power in here. This smells really good, actually. It smells very clean, but it is dusty. So be prepared for that when you stir it. And you want to make sure that, like, there's not a whole lot of the layers showing. You want to make sure it's, like, really stirred up good. Alright, I think we're done. And there you have it. Some economical, homemade laundry detergent. And supposedly you only need like one kind of scoop of this, and this one came with a scoop. So I'll just be putting that in there and using that, and there you go. Okay, so guys, that is how to make some homemade laundry detergent. I took the stuff out of here so that my pets could, and kind of cleaned it up so that I wouldn't have to worry about my pets getting sick on it. It still smells like a laundromat in here. It's very fresh, very clean, but it is kind of dusty, so be aware of that. Work in a well-ventilated space because it'll kind of feel like it chokes you out while you're mixing it all together. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to doing more videos for you in the future. Hopefully when I, you know, look a little better. As you can tell, I'm dressed down today because I need to do laundry. So I was saving this video for before I would need to do some laundry. We'll see you all later. Bye!